Thank you very much.
Your favorite.
City Limits.
Yeah.
You gotta send it to Dan and Casey.
Just thanks to you all. You supported me all these years. You've given me exposure around the world because of Austin City Limits, and
See, around the world, Cotton. They watch
every
you.
time
They like you
been
singing.
on the show, it's been special.
Look at that hair.
What makes Austin City Limits special is the way you produce and
Julia
direct the show.
Roberts everywhere.
The production
Married
is as
Because he
invisible
looked like
as a
Lincoln.
production can be. In a
That would be a
television
reason
format.
not to.
It's almost easy to forget that you're being filmed.
Whoops, I'm not
when you're
paying
on that
attention
stage.
when I'm filming.
Since the very beginning, Austin City Limits has been a place to discover new artists and even new genres of music.
Look who's there.
Austin City Limits, Austin, Texas,
It'd be cool to go there. Who is that? Oh, that looks like the Tonight Show. No. Colbert. He's the player. Young player. Band leader. Something. I'm not having anything. Drink the tea. I think that's Batiste.
just can't imagine how you could be so okay. Now more than ever, Austin City Limits has become a bucket list, must-do milestone for a new generation of young artists.
I want to go there.